Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can add preferences on their drinking status on Facebook dating. Maybe you don't want to date a person who is alcoholic, so you want to put a preferences on the drinking. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application and log in with your Facebook account. Once you open it, simply tap on this heart icon for you to be directed into this Facebook dating. And then in here, simply tap on this settings at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll be directed into your ideal match. Below that, you will see the advanced preferences. Tap on this drop down button and then you have to scroll down and you will see in here the drinking. In here, tap on this drinking to add your preferences. For example, you want to have a partner who never drinks, simply tap on this checklist button beside the never. And here, you can also turn this on if you want it to be a strong preferences. Tap on the save button at the upper right corner of your screen. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can add preferences on drinking status, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can add preferences on drinking, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.